Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Randy in Utah on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Randy, got ready to go for you, bud? Our tune alignment. We'll start with our power all the way down. 250 watt slug. 25 watts all the way down. So if you decide to run like a 16 pill or something, Randy, you got full adjustability. 125 all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. At 215, 220. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 watts in the corner. I'll go ahead and put a 1000 watt slug in, but I think we know what we're going to see here. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 590. Maybe 600. Alright, Randy. It's ready to come to you. Your friend Truck. www.truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.